There's a couple of ways to get around a college campus. Generally, people walk. The trouble is, it's too slow, and walking tends to turn to fast walking, and that's just not attractive. You could also ride the bus. This option is great if it's raining. Otherwise, it sucks. Too few run, and they don't get you straight to your class. Riding a bike is probably the best option, but you have to use physical effort, which sucks. Now, there's a fourth option. You could ride an electric skateboard. I've actually tried this method. In fact, I used this method most of my freshman year of college, and it worked out great. But I'm a junior now. I need something with more range, versatility, speed, off-road capability, and sheer badassness. So, I built an electric bike. The bike houses its 72-volt, 20-amp-hour battery inside of the frame. For power, the bike has a 3,000-watt hub motor mounted on the rear wheel. The bike also has full suspension with D&M front and rear shocks, giving a super smooth ride both on and off the road. The front wheel is also slightly larger than the rear, giving the bike a bit of a rearward lean. It also has a dual LED headlight for nighttime riding, and a horn for the road. It's super loud. But even then, everything was a fight, yeah. Peas and carrots, what we inherit. I've seen the merit in. There's actually two batteries in the frame. Both are 10 amp hours, and they're hooked up in parallel to give the bike a total of 20 amp hours. On the handlebars, you have your horn, cycle analyst display, the headlight switch, throttle, power setting, and a key start. All in all, the bike is super powerful and practical. And sometimes I just need a little extra space. And there's one last really important feature. I can bring the bike inside. Thanks for watching.